Hello, beautiful human beings of the internet. I'm Lauren Elizabeth, and I eat a lot. So everyone does these what I eat in a day videos, and obviously every day is different. I eat a lot of different things, but I definitely have 2 handfuls of like go-to recipes and things I love eating at home. I've been so #blessed to have been home all week. Well, not really. I've been running around a lot this week. And I was like, oh my God, I have so much leftover food. Let's show everyone what I eat in a day right here, right now. So I'm gonna walk you through what I do for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, all at home. These are just a couple of things that are my go-tos. So if you like this type of video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you want me to show you even more stuff that I make at home. And if you want me to do a version where it's like I'm not making my own meals, like go-to healthy stuff on the go or Postmates, whatever, just let me know. I am your servant. So let's jump right into what I eat for breakfast. But first I need to put my hair up because it's about to get serious. So, in the morning, I love making my own smoothie because I'm someone who thinks more is more, and I like putting as many literal things I can, as many things I can fit into this blender as possible. And I make a giant green smoothie that's great for like detoxing, getting all your greens, getting all your like vitamins, nutrients, collagen. Collagen is the biggest part of this smoothie. I'm not kidding you guys. I have to get my eyebrows waxed like every other day. Not actually, but like my hair is growing like crazy because of collagen. So this smoothie will change your life. So the first 2 things I start with every morning are my flat tummy juice. And this is apple, lemon, ginger, and cayenne pepper. It's the best thing ever. It speeds up my metabolism so much, and it's just like an essential every day for me. Sometimes I make them at home, sometimes I buy them from a juice place. We've been very lazy lately and just been buying them. And I always do a Stella freak. And I always do a cold brew with oat milk and vanilla. And so those are my 2 first beverages. I'm a big beverage gal. So after that, then we'll make the smoothie. Okay, so for starters, my smoothie consists of a few fresh ingredients. And usually I use 1 fresh banana, but they didn't have any good ones this week at the grocery store. They were all green. If you don't like banana and you want more of like a healthy fat, you can use a half of an avocado instead as your base. But this is like a fruit blend. I like using frozen fruit because it gives you more of like a cold, like chunky, nice smoothie. So I'll do like, it's stuck. It is just fully stuck. That's way too much. What do I do? There we go. Like I said, love big smoothies. It's gonna be a big one. We're using a whole bag of fruit. I like using strawberry, banana, and mango, or pineapple. Pineapple kind of hurts my mouth. Strawberry is really good for like losing weight, and I know that because it says it at my local smoothie place. I like using spinach. You can alternate between like spinach and kale. It's really good to like switch up your greens. And I do like, you can get away with using a lot of greens because you're not gonna taste them and they blend up really fine. So that's like a lot, but we're Gucci. Then instead of like almond milk or like your milk preference, I like using coconut water because it's a lot lighter, like less calories and just like lighter in general, and it's super hydrating. Coconut water is just super, super hydrating in general, and you can use a lot more of it. So I use literally so much. That should be good. See, that's like a lot of water, but like, why not? Then, once we're done with all the fresh stuff, we go over to the potion station. But I'll bring the potion station to you because I'm feeling generous. Whoa. So this looks like a lot. It is. But all the potions last a long time, which is great because they are a little pricey, but they're so worth it. And like I said, last forever. I've had them for like, I don't know. Then I do a green detox powder because it has everything you could ever want, like alkalizing greens, dandelion root, turmeric, ginger, garlic, peppermint, fennel seed, cayenne, parsley, like a million bajillion things. And this is the hero product, our Vital Proteins Collagen Beauty Greens. It's marine collagen, raw greens, hyaluronic acid, and probiotics. And it's just, it'll change your life. And also this is flavored coconut vanilla, so it helps give the smoothie like a good flavor. It's this and the fruit. So I do 1 scoop, which is like 20 grams of collagen, which is amazing. Then I do 1 scoop of this green detox powder. I usually use a spoon, but sometimes I like to remind myself what a teaspoon is. So this is reishi, and reishi is really great because it gives you like energy, but not a crash. Astragalus. And since there's so much coconut water, it really helps dissolve all the powders so you don't have like a gross powdery smoothie. Mucuna is one of my favorites because it makes you happy. It helps with dopamine. So, you know, gotta get a lot of that in. Was I supposed to do that much? Yes. Then we have chlorella, which is like a super green. It's like dark, dark green. Oh. Then this is from Moon Juice. It's pearl. It's a source of amino acids, minerals, and it's a beautifying cell builder. For this one, you just like sprinkle it. It's like very, very fine powder because it's pearl. And then I really like flax seeds, and you have to grind them up for their full potential, but the blender does that for you, so I just say, why not? Now we blend. I can still see that one like not going though. I feel the block of fruit. It's not blended. Better.
A few moments later.
So hopefully this blended all the way. Da-na-na-na. Oh wow, usually it goes all the way up to the top. It definitely blended though, there's nothing left. Where did the straw come from? I don't know. Eco-friendly metal straw, don't mind if I do. And then I like to put goji berries on top. High in antioxidants, vitamin A. Plant-based superfood, baby. Just a little bit. I love goji berries though. And voila, breakfast is served. Tastes really good. It literally just tastes like a fruit smoothie, but you literally have every green in the world, plus 20 grams of collagen, plus so many essential Chinese herbs. I'm addicted to this. I crave it. So try it, let me know what you think. And my mom likes it too, so. Oh my God, now it's lunchtime. Just kidding, it's 5 minutes later. Okay, so now for lunch, I am a Midwest gal. I love sandwiches, so we're gonna make a healthy version of a sandwich. So obviously a sandwich needs bread. I love bread. And this is Dave's bread. It's thin sliced organic bread, 21 whole grains and seeds, and it's only 60 calories per slice. I don't care about calories, I don't pay attention, but I just like that it's bread that's actually good quality, and the thin slice is nice, so it's like really tiny. Sometimes if I'm really hungry, I'll make 2 sandwiches, but today we're gonna make 1. Then I use vegan mayonnaise because honestly, I think it tastes like just as good, and it's eggless, and it's just better for you. So vegan mayo. I only do thin layers. Then I do yellow mustard because I really like mustard. Obviously you can put whatever condiments you want, but this is what I eat in a day. I like getting fresh turkey, like fresh sliced from the deli, because I feel like it's not like dry, but like, you know when you get it in the package and it's like super like slimy and gross? Ugh. So I get it fresh, and then it's fun because I get cracked pepper, and then I get like herb roasted. So you get some funky fresh flavors. Oh yeah. Then I cut up a tomato earlier this week, put it in a stasher bag. Pro tip, eco-friendly. And then I love spinach on my sandwiches. You can obviously do lettuce, but this gives you even more greens in your day. It just tastes so good. Then we make it nice and tight. And then you just cut it in half. Oh, so satisfying. Boom, baby. That's what I'm talking about. And I could do like a side of crackers, or like I just snack a lot. So I'll show you my favorite snacks in a second. But usually I only have time to eat the turkey sandwich and I snack later with dinner. Oh, so before dinner, I like to snack, and after dinner, I like to snack. So I'm just gonna show you really quick my snacks. My go-to snacks, best popcorn ever. These will literally change your life. It's impossible to open them and not eat the whole box. Liza's shaking her head yes right now because she knows it's true. Best chips ever. These ones are, I love potato chips, great with the sandwich too, but they're made with coconut oil, and it's literally just ingredients, non-GMO potatoes, organic coconut oil, and sea salt, boom. These ingredients too are amazing. I know I just talked about them, but this is like, when it comes to eating healthy, it's not about calories, it's about ingredients. So for instance, this is like nut and seed flour blend. And so everything's organic, it's all good for you. Now for dinner. For dinner, I like to keep it super simple and super healthy, especially if I'm snacking a lot. So super easy, I like to just do a chicken breast, but I just take it, ooh yes, ready? 1, 2, 3, flip, pound it out. The key to cooking chicken is to pounding it out so it's all the same level so that when you cook it, it cooks evenly throughout the whole thing. Shout out to my grandma for this chicken pounder. I like to do kale because I've been doing spinach all day. So I'll do like a really quick side salad of kale. You just go like, you just take the whole bunch like this. And then you just, this is my favorite kind of kale. I call it dinosaur kale because it's like thick and really dark and it looks like dinosaur skin. I just put it, obviously wash it, whatever. Put it in a bowl, lemon. Use the smaller half of your lemon for your salad. Oh yeah. Since it is so thick, probably want to do a little bit of olive oil, just a little, and then you just do salt and pepper and you have a little side salad. Sometimes I cut up like little cherry tomatoes and put that in there, but we don't have that today. So everything is obviously washed and clean. Let's not be crazy, people. A pro tip for chicken too, like it is kind of hard to cook chicken. I mean, at least for me. And so what I like to do, especially when I'm in a rush, is cut it up so it's a lot easier to cook. And then I make kind of like a one pan situation. And you're gonna see what that means in a second. So for the chicken, it's super easy. You're gonna do like high, medium, olive oil, heat it up, heat it up. Okay. Chicken, 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 chicken. Okay, this is all about quickness. Wash your hands. Dry them off. Get the salt. Salt Bay. Herbs de Provence. Herb it. Pepper. Ah! Oh! In the face. Be careful. Don't do this at home, but like do it, but safer. I put a little extra oil because I'm gonna put the stuff in. Just watch. It's all gonna make sense. You see the fire? Fire! Chicken probably has like 1 more minute to cook. You're gonna take your veggies. Ooh. They're big. I should have cut those up. And it's not really gonna cook the veggies because like they're not pre-cooked, but like you could like steam them, so it's gonna kind of just get them a little steamy. Like we're just like heating them up. But you just wait because it's about to get crazier. We're gonna turn it down to almost a simmer. We're gonna take the sauce. And then you can cover it, let it all steam, let all the flavors get in. And if you want to add cheese, be my guest. But it's just a nice way of like making your healthy dinner taste really good, have a lot of flavor, still be healthy. And it's so easy because it all cooks down together. If you want to do sauce on the side, you're more than welcome. But this is just an easy way to like heat up the sauce, really get flavor in all the veggies. I just use the all-natural premium quality pasta sauce, and I use the arrabbiata because it's spicy and I like spice. But if you don't, you can use just like a regular organic marinara sauce. It's just tomatoes at the end of the day, so it's nothing crazy. And then I'll show you guys. Oh my God, it smells so good. This is like an Italian stir fry. That's what I call it. But it's super healthy and super good for you. But it's so filling because like it's so flavorful. It's not as like boring as just chicken and broccoli. It's like a little like, You can do a little Parmesan cheese on top. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Dinner is served. Look at this, baby. You got your greens, you got your protein, you got a little sauce, you got more greens. Yeah. And then, you know, experts say 1 glass of red wine is equivalent to going to the gym. So cheers to going to the gym together. I think it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon right now. So probably should put this over here. But that's dinner. Super easy, super quick. If you can't cook this, you really gotta go take some cooking lessons. I don't know what to tell you. But that's it. That's everything I eat in a day. If I want dessert, I'll have some chocolate or some cookies, and then it's just all downhill from there, and I kind of eat whatever I want. But that's not the point of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, let me know. And if you don't want to see more, just tell me what you do want to see, okay? Let's be collaborative. Make sure you're subscribed for more videos, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.